Oh no. Oh no. You okay?
Hey! Back up here in Groton. Brought my father up with me today. We're gonna go out. The trails actually look really good. The little bit of road crossings we've seen. I'm gonna go out. I trimmed the crossover stack shim jobber on the front shocks of the Assault, so I want to try that. And other than that, we're just out for a ride, really. That's kind of the only thing to test. Nice bluebird-ish day, so we're gonna go put some miles on and just get out for a ride.
All right, new shield on the old Mission here. This is that fancy shield off of the new Patriot. I haven't fitted that with my speakers and stuff yet, so I'm trying out just the shield. It has the new revised, like, longer nose cone piece too. Trails are pretty hard. It's been warm and groomed up since last time. Uh-oh. So yeah, trim that crossover stack about 3/8 of an inch. Oh, this new shield is so much better just for the nose cone piece alone. I can breathe a lot better. Anyway, crossover shim is trimmed about 3/8 of an inch. Hopefully get me enough set into the shock so that it can load the sway bar and not come onto that 150-pound spring right away and then start to tip. It's going to take a little bit for us to find out if that's going to work, because this is awfully soft and mushy fresh groom right here. But the little bit I can see already does feel a lot better, but I don't want to get too excited too early. Oh yeah, we're way better now. So the front does feel better, even though certain scenarios I think it's still just going to try to tip up just because of uncoupled Assault things. But we'll wait to see till we get on some other hard packed trail. We can really get a good idea what's going on. Here's that lookout I tried to show the other day. Huh? Oh! Come here, buddy! Hey! What are you doing? What's going on? Who are you? That's awesome. Definitely an improvement. I think some scenarios it's still just going to have a little bit of a tip to it because it's uncoupled and it's an Assault, you know? Yeah. But it's slightly hard to gauge on this stuff, you know? At speed, it definitely feels better and more stable. It can actually roll in and start to load the bar. I just don't know if it needs a little bit more yet, but we'll see. I do have some goofy fog spots on this shield now. Hopefully they go away.
Changing down there?
The compression, because now that it has a little bit more stroke to travel through, yeah. Off that little rise there, it hit the bump stop, it bottomed. Oh, no kidding. But it's good because it rolls a little bit, but now I can kind of use the shock to slow that down. I think it'll still have enough travel to load the bar, yeah. So we'll see. Man, the snow is weird. Oh, I I know what this spookiness I'm seeing on this lens is. When you stop, the nose guard thing prevents some of the light from coming through, so it auto darkens or auto lightens or whatever. Some of it's light, some of it's dark, and it takes a little while for it to transition and get back to all one uniform color. Got it. So the front is way better for like at speed cruising and carving out, but I just don't have the shock stroke in those shocks anymore after we shortened them to handle the big stuff. It does carve right out on this high speed stuff right now though. Okay, my gauge is frozen. That's really sick. Why is my gauge all messed up? I got a hair in my mouth now too. Oh my god, my gauge came back. Look at that. There we go. Okay. All right, try that. See what you think. Oh, so different feeling. You can tell the front of this thing's up in the air compared to that one. Yeah, so I'm riding the Assault back. We got some damage here. My father was on it and he got a ski off the trail on kind of a off-camber, goofy kind of corner, and there was no shoulder, you know, it just kind of drops off into a ravine. And I'm gonna play the audio and everything of how it happened, but I'm not gonna play the video footage of it because I don't want the potential backlash of people just making shit up because they weren't here, they don't know the scenario, they don't know the speeds, they don't know the corner. So I'm not gonna post that because the internet does some dumb shit with stuff like that. So I'm gonna post the audio here, but yeah, just know that it doesn't matter how many years of riding experience you have, accidents happen. You get a ski off, you get sucked down into the ravine, clip a tree and a little boulder. I mean, anything's possible. You've seen all the videos of people having trailer unloading mishaps and parking lot mishaps. It's part of riding. Accidents happen, and you know, I'm glad that he's not injured. It's just a snowmobile, it's parts and bolts, and it's what I do for a living. So I don't really care about the sled. I'm not trying to make that any sort of bragging or arrogant way. It's a piece of machinery, right? He's fine, he's okay. It's an accident, that's the way it goes. So I'll get it back tonight, check it all over, and we'll go from there. So let's roll into that footage and get some, you know, B-roll, or I don't know what you want to call it, but camera on the ground filming us getting the thing out of the tree and all that stuff. So here we go. Oh my god, what the f***? Oh no. Oh no. You okay?
I'm fine.
All right. That's all that matters.
One ski just caught this edge.
Yep. It's all right. You okay?
Fucking ski right off.
It's okay. It's all right, dude. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Come here. It's okay. Ain't nothing can't be fixed. Don't worry about it.
Oh, well, we gotta get it out of here.
It'll come out of there.
I don't have no ski on it.
What? No, they're both there. Skis are there. You're good. She'll come out of there. Let me get this thing to a safe spot here. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Just chill for a bit. We're good.
I looked back and you were gone. I was like, on the rock. Oh, it broke right off. You know, it was off the edge of where it was groomed. And
Oh, I know. There's no getting it back from that.
no,
I'll turn that around. No, let's just limp up to that clearing up there.
that's fine.
That way I
Wherever.
can clean this and do whatever. Well,
It was actually handling decent too.
it was pretty good, right? It was pretty
wasn't
flat.
bad at all. I'm like, I kind of like this. It's all right.
It's like it was firm on the small. I can't tell where our angle is here, but it's pretty firm on the small stuff. But the front was way better than it was.
Yeah.
You just
I didn't hit any good bumps.
oh, my head sock, you hoser! Yeah, you got off right here. And then it just sucked you right off into there. My head sock, all the way down in. You got a pretty nasty rock right down in there. And that rock is what took out that left lower A-arm. But you're all right, so it's not a big deal. Remember how I owed you $800? I'll just lead and peck my way along and hope it doesn't fall off. I think that'll be all right. That'll hold. You dare me to hit a jump?
No.
We got the front kind of bandaged up. I just got to peck my way back, and yeah, it's gonna be a long ride back. But I have ridden much worse, much farther. Ooh, we're loading that corner pretty heavy. Ah, like a dream, dude. Nothing wrong right there. This thing's actually going really good. This little kid riding around, what's he doing? Where's your helmet? He's just out getting it on the CRT, brother. Cool. Love to see that. Look at him go! Hell yeah! Wow! Oh, dude, that ratchet strap is money. Still runs good, though. I'm not going to do any sort of pulls, though. I don't know how big the dent is in that pipe. That's a little spooky. I don't know, maybe it'll run really good with that in there, huh? We're on really nice flat stuff, but this thing's carving it right out, dude. We're cruising. All right, the truck is right up here. We made it! Making power with that pipe all dented in. Holy pecker. I might have to leave the dent in the pipe. That's kind of sick.
Well, it could have been a lot worse, that's for sure.
Yeah, the bulkhead's fine.
That's good.
Yeah, the pipe has a decent dent in it.
It isn't the bumper like next to it?
Yeah, the bumper took the brunt of it.
Yeah.
That saved the majority of the pipe, but I think you fucking made out pretty good, dude. I think it's gonna be.
Control arm off of this one and the bumper and body panels.
Huh?
Wow, if you're going away right
Oh, yeah.
to get it back going right away.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really the pipe that's fucking making it expensive here. I think the belly pan will come back with some heat, but we'll find out.
I need a goofy picture for the thumbnail, dude. I need you to be like,
Yeah.
that's actually perfect. That's really good. That's gonna be awesome.